Go my head when you and chapter. I suppose it depends on what way you're looking at it from. The Ulster Irish today, I suppose, is kind of based on Donegal Irish. If you're talking about the dialects that were spoken in the rest of Ulster compared to Donegal, I suppose there were differences. And there's a great website actually. If you go on, it's called Dogen. I'm not sure of the pronunciation, but Doegen, Doegen. If you go onto that, it shows you a map of all speakers that were recorded in the 1930s, and it's a magnificent resource. And you can see, like for example, in Ulster, places in East Ulster, they would say Dafa instead of Difa, and probably in places in North Donegal they would say that as well. But I'm no expert on the Irish in East Ulster, but they would say ha ro a lot, and we would use that in Southwest Donegal for emphasis. We would kind of pronounce the C more, Mushakaro, I wasn't. Mushakanel, I'm not. And it depends who you're speaking to as well. Down in Gidor, they would say haro at times, but we wouldn't say that. We say Mushakaro, or kind of give a bit of weight with your answer. But just in sampler than the Gaelic.